Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see 8 simple ways to speed up Google Chrome in 2025. First, you just need to open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select delete browsing data. Go to advanced and time range set to all time and check mark all the boxes listed over here and select delete data option. And second step on left side select extensions and disable all the unused extensions. And the third step, go back to settings and select the system and turn on this use graphics acceleration when available. Fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type a memory saver. Comes up memory saver, click on this, turn it on and set this to maximum. Fifth step, you just need to search preload. Comes up preload pages, set this to on and standard preloading. And then close unused tabs, guys. Keep only necessary tabs open to reduce memory usage. Seventh step on the left side, you just need to select about Chrome and it will automatically check for Chrome updates. In my case, Chrome is up to date. Eighth step on the left side, select reset settings and select restore settings to their original defaults. And this will reset some Chrome settings and disable extensions, delete cookies and other temporary site data. Select the reset settings option. After getting done, your Chrome will way more faster than before, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.